How to delete a story on Snapchat. Let's get started. Launch your Snapchat. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now click on the Bitmoji icon given at the top left. With that, you will be directed to your profile page. Now scrolling down, here you're gonna find a section of My Story. Open it. You will be able to find your story. Now how to delete it. At the bottom right corner of the story, you'll find this delete icon. Click on that. Delete this snap. We will permanently delete this snap, but its metrics will still count towards the story. Click on delete snap. With that, the story will be removed. You can do the same for other stories on Snapchat as well. So this is how you can easily delete a story on Snapchat. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.